All right, folks, buckle up because today we're diving into something truly revolutionary, an open-source AI model called S1. And get this, it was developed for under $50. Yes, you heard that right. Forget millions, we're talking about pocket change. But before you dismiss it as a toy, consider this. Could this be the beginning of a massive shift in the AI landscape? Is this the AI equivalent of the garage startup that challenges the giants? That's what we're going to unpack today. The first and most obvious impact is the sheer cost reduction. Building a reasoning AI model comparable to, say, an earlier OpenAI model for less than $50? That's insane. This immediately democratizes AI. Suddenly, individual researchers, small startups, educational institutions, anyone with a decent computer can start experimenting with powerful AI. This isn't just about saving money. It's about unlocking potential. Think of the innovation that can be unleashed when the barrier to entry is practically non-existent. It's like going from needing a multi-million-dollar lab to build a telescope to being able to create one in your backyard. Now, how did they pull this off? The key seems to be data efficiency. S1 proves you don't need massive, unwieldy datasets to achieve strong AI performance. It was trained on a relatively small, carefully curated dataset. That's a huge deal. It moves the focus from blindly gathering data to intelligently selecting and preparing it. And the second secret weapon? Distillation. S1 was distilled from Google's Gemini 2.0. Think of it like taking the essence of a complex perfume and concentrating it into a smaller, more potent form. This success validates distillation as a powerful and cost-effective method for creating new AI models. It means we can leverage the power of existing models without breaking the bank. Think of it like learning from a master chef. You don't need to go through years of culinary school to pick up some amazing techniques. But hold on, this is where things get a little spicy. The method used to create S1, distilling from Gemini 2.0, raises some serious ethical and legal questions. Is this reverse engineering? Is it a violation of Google's terms of service? This is uncharted territory. We're talking about intellectual property rights in the age of AI. Imagine if someone reverse engineered the secret formula for Coca-Cola and started selling their own version. That's the kind of debate we're facing here. This could lead to lawsuits, legal battles, and a whole lot of uncertainty in the AI community. This is a wake-up call for the industry to define clear boundaries and ethical guidelines. All right, let's zoom out and look at the bigger picture. What are the ripple effects of S1's success? First, expect increased competition in the AI model market. The big boys like OpenAI and DeepSeek are now facing pressure from smaller teams and open-source initiatives that can produce competitive models at a fraction of the cost. This is a David versus Goliath scenario playing out in real time. Second, we might see a shift in demand for cloud computing resources. Instead of solely relying on massive, expensive GPU clusters, there could be increased demand for optimized, efficient computing solutions. Think of it like moving from a gas-guzzling SUV to a fuel-efficient hybrid. It's about getting the most bang for your buck. Third, increased accessibility to AI models like S1 will fuel the growth of AI education and training programs. More people will be able to learn and experiment with AI technology. This is crucial for building a skilled workforce that can harness the power of AI for good. And finally, the availability of affordable reasoning AI models will lead to the development of new AI-powered applications in various sectors. Think personalized education tools, automated research assistants, more efficient business processes. The possibilities are endless. It's like the invention of the printing press. Suddenly, information is accessible to everyone, leading to a surge in knowledge and innovation. Now, let's talk about the risks. On the technical side, S1's performance is inherently tied to the quality of Gemini 2.0. Any limitations or biases in Gemini could be transferred to S1. And because it was trained on a relatively small dataset, it might overfit and struggle to generalize to new problems. It's like learning to drive on a straight road and then being thrown into a busy city. You might not be prepared for the challenges. Also, remember that weight component that improves accuracy? That could introduce latency issues. And as an open-source model, S1 is vulnerable to adversarial attacks and malicious use cases. Security is paramount. From a business perspective, the success of S1 threatens the business models of major AI labs. The commoditization of AI models could reduce their competitive advantage. And then there's the intellectual property elephant in the room. Google might take action against the creators of S1 for violating its policies against reverse engineering. This could lead to a legal showdown that could reshape the AI industry. The long-term viability of S1 also depends on community contributions and support. If the project doesn't attract enough developers and funding, it could stagnate. It's like planting a tree. You need to nurture it to ensure it grows strong. And finally, let's not forget the ethical risks. Because S1 is distilled from Gemini 2.0, it could inherit and amplify any biases present in the original model. This could lead to discriminatory or unfair outcomes. The open-source nature of S1 means there's no central authority responsible for overseeing its development and use. This could make it difficult to prevent its misuse. Think of the potential for generating fake news, creating deepfakes, or automating harmful activities. We need to be vigilant and develop ethical guidelines to ensure AI is used responsibly. It's like giving someone a powerful tool. You need to make sure they know how to use it safely and ethically. Looking further down the line, S1 could lead to a genuine democratization of AI innovation. Wider access to AI technology empowers individuals and smaller organizations to contribute to AI development, potentially leading to more diverse and creative solutions. However, the automation potential of AI models like S1 could also lead to job displacement in some sectors. While it will create new jobs in areas such as AI model development and data curation, we need to be prepared for the potential impact on the workforce. It's a double-edged sword. We need to invest in retraining and education programs to help people adapt to the changing job market. The widespread adoption of AI models raises complex ethical challenges such as bias, fairness, and accountability. This will likely lead to increased pressure for AI regulation and the development of ethical guidelines. Governments and industry leaders need to work together to create a framework that promotes innovation while mitigating the risks. On the positive side, efficient AI models could drive economic growth and productivity gains across various industries. AI-powered applications could improve access to information and services for underserved communities, potentially reducing social and economic inequalities. It's about using AI to create a more equitable and prosperous society for all. Of course, we can't ignore the potential for misuse. Lower-cost AI models could be used for nefarious purposes like generating disinformation, creating deepfakes, and automating malicious activities. Increased vigilance and security measures are needed to mitigate these risks. So, what's the bottom line? The development of S1 is an impressive achievement, but it also raises important questions about the future of AI development. Is this the democratization of AI, or are we opening Pandora's box? Only time will tell. But one thing is certain, the AI revolution is here, and it's happening faster than ever before. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more insights into the world of AI.